Hello everyone, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today I bring you a special video, a Valentine's Day video. I had this idea earlier in the day, so it's late in the day, but it's still Valentine's Day. So please enjoy watching this process. I'm using markers for this drawing, Copic and Ohuhu markers. And I love using both of these markers, wine liner from Copic and a glitter marker that unfortunately ran out the second time I used it. Both of those came from my last ScrawlrBox, and I'm a little disappointed about the glitter pin, but still it looked great. It would have been great if it didn't run out. And today is Valentine's Day, but don't let it fool you into thinking you only have to have special things for only one time a year. You don't only have to get roses, go to special restaurants, or get special chocolates only on this year. But it doesn't hurt to spend quality time with those special people on this day. Now, it doesn't have to be boyfriend or girlfriend, wife or husband. It could be friends, family, whoever you feel comfortable with. Spend this day with. This day will be special because you spent it with someone that cares about you and that you care about them. And then it'll be even more special. It won't be special if you spend it with someone who judges you, doubts you. But if the person that you're with doesn't judge you and you can be who you want to be, who you are, you don't have to hide anything from that person or walk on eggshells, then this day will be a great day for you. And this drawing here, I used pink, yes, but I also used a lot of non-pink colors, especially in the background, because I didn't want it to be so Valentine's heart kind of look. But I did that tiger looking heart. Actually, that's my favorite heart. Please tell me below which heart design you like the most. The big top left heart, the right one, or the bottom one in the middle. My favorite is the top left one because I like orange and it looks like a tiger and I like tigers. So that's my favorite. Please tell me in the comments below what is your favorite one. And I hope everyone has a great day today on this Valentine's Day. It is leap year this year, so it's even more special. So maybe if you're out and about and this year could be a special one for you. If you have a positive feeling and you're with good company, leap year could be your year. And I want to do my live streams once every 2 weeks. I'm going to try. Now I don't have a test anymore, but I am working still. But along with my work schedule, I'm going to do a video upload on Sundays and once a week, and for my regular video upload, and I will do a live stream sometime during the week once every 2 weeks. I have to figure out which day is better for me. But the problem is my live streams probably will not have a consistent time because as a substitute teacher, my times fluctuate. So I'm always home by 4 or 4:30, but it just depends. Probably I want to do my live streams when I work a short day or half day. That's probably going to be better because I don't always work 8 hours every day. Sometimes I work 4 hours some days, and so but I'm going to be thinking more about that. I tried to do a live stream the other day, but my best friend, her birthday was that day, and I went to eat with her at Red Lobster, And so life happens, and not everyone always has time to keep up with YouTube, but I'm going to try. So thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.